Gerunds and Gerund Phrases. In this module, you learn about gerunds and gerund phrases and their use. Gerunds are nouns created from the ing form of a verb. For example, playing computer games is Johnny's habit. He can play all day without stopping. Johnny loves playing the role-playing game. He thinks having almost no winners or losers is the best part of this game. However, Johnny's mum strongly disapproves his looking at the computer screen for such long periods. In the above passage, playing, stopping, role-playing, having, looking are all gerunds. They are words ending with ing but are used as nouns and not verbs. Gerunds can be used as either a subject or an object in a sentence. For example, Johnny likes playing. Here the gerund playing is the object. Playing is a very enjoyable activity. Here the gerund playing is the subject. A gerund phrase begins with a gerund and is always used as noun. So they'll either be the subject or the object in a sentence. For example, playing computer games daily is Johnny's habit. In this sentence, the gerund phrase playing computer games daily is used as the subject of the sentence. Similarly, he can play all day long without doing any other activity. In this sentence, the gerund phrase doing any other activity is the object of the preposition without. He loves playing the role-playing game. In this sentence, we have two gerunds, playing and role-playing. The gerund phrase playing the role-playing game is the direct object of the verb loves. The second gerund role-playing is the noun, the name of the game. Let us look at some more examples. He thinks having almost no winners or losers is the best part of this game. In this sentence, the gerund phrase having almost no winners or losers is the direct object of the sentence. However, Johnny's mum strongly disapproves his looking at the computer screen for such long periods. In this sentence, the gerund phrase looking at the computer screen is the direct object of the sentence. It's important to note that a gerund and a gerund phrase do not need any punctuation marks. Let's recall what we've learned. Gerunds are nouns created from the ing form of a verb. Gerunds can be used as either subject or object in a sentence. A gerund phrase begins with a gerund and is always used as a noun. A gerund and a gerund phrase do not need any punctuation marks.